In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a coin on eBay. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to start selling coins, whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started. We'll walk through the process from understanding the basics to finalizing your listing, ensuring that you feel confident at every step. First, let's get to know the essential details you'll need about the coin you're selling. Understanding the country of origin is crucial. For example, whether your coin is from the US and Canada or the Philippines, each has distinct markets and collectors interested in those regions. Following this, identifying the denomination is equally important, whether it's 1 peso, 10 cents, or $1. Next, take note of the coin's year. Some years are more sought after than others, impacting the value. Pay attention to the mint mark as well. This mark, such as a D for the Denver Mint, can influence the coin's rarity and value. You'll also want to consider whether the coin is circulated or uncirculated, as this affects its condition and consequently its price. If your coin has been certified by organizations like PCGS, NGC, or ANAX, this certification adds credible validation, which is appealing to buyers. Now let's talk about photography. Clear, accurate photos are vital because they let buyers see the details. A plain white background is recommended for these shots, as it allows the coin's features to stand out. Ensure you photograph both sides, the obverse and the reverse, and don't forget to zoom in on key details like mint marks and the date. These elements often pique a buyer's interest. With all of this information in hand, it's time to create your eBay listing. Start by navigating to My eBay, then to Selling, and proceed to Listings. Here you can choose to create a new listing. When inputting what you're selling, be precise. An example could be 1909 S VDB Lincoln cent, key date penny. This kind of specificity helps your listing appear in relevant search results. Moving forward, select the suggested category that best fits your coin. An effective title is next on the agenda. Your title should be compelling and include critical details, the year, country, denomination, mint mark, and condition or certification. For instance, 1921 Morgan Silver Dollar Philadelphia Mint VF condition 90% silver provides prospective buyers with a succinct summary of what makes your coin unique. Select the condition according to eBay's grading system, whether it's circulated, uncirculated, or ungraded. Also, if the coin is graded, choose the appropriate certification from PCGS or NGC. Your description should be honest and include any flaws such as wear, toning, or scratches. Transparency builds trust with your buyers. Setting the price and format is the final crucial step. You could choose an auction format, ideal for rare or high demand coins, or a fixed price known as Buy It Now, which works well for common or competitively priced items. Once you've input all this information, finish your listing by clicking List Your Item. And there you have it, a fully created eBay coin listing ready to attract potential buyers. I hope this guide helps you successfully navigate selling coins on eBay.